trying to incorporate in my routine some exercise, because I understand that also help the memory loss. Besides learning something new, for example, some things in IT, like repairing your computer, or restarting your operating system, or some Linux stuff. So I installed Arch. Now I can see that is Arch, and now we will try to reboot it. Okay, even rebooting, even if it's a simple thing, you could here wrote reboot in PowerShell or in Linux's terminal, and it will reboot. If something happens, you can push your buttons, I don't know, maybe a bug. It happens with the computer, it often happens, this kind of things. Jet Flash, let me see. And it doesn't recognize it, or what? I can't write nothing. No, it doesn't. We try one more thing, and then Arch. It doesn't want to install this. I watched a YouTube video where YouTuber said that some computers, the majority, 99% of computers, it recognizes usually the Arch when if there are USB. This is Fedora. Interesting. It does recognize Fedora, but I do not have it on stick. I guess it's a recovery image, so it does not recognize Arch. I will try Alpine. I don't know, maybe it doesn't. It's not because of the Arch, because this computer, when was bought, it was on Windows and it did break, and then I installed Linux, and from that I was a simple user, and I want to be how they say, a power user, to use more terminal. Why don't I use Fedora? Because it's when I open just the browser, it's almost 1.6 gigabytes of RAM, and I have 4. And if I open another browser, it's already sluggish. And it does not give updates, and I like the desktop, I think. Should be another destack installed. Let me try. So I did install Arch. Let me try to install Alpine. Until it formats. Doesn't want to format. Okay, let's do it like that. Let's create a disk. take some minutes, and let's go to the internet. And I did install Arco, so it was a little better. It was a little bit better than Fedora. I'm sorry, Fedora. It was a little bit better. Fedora server was a little bit better than Fedora Workstation, but not as good as Arco. But Arco still was a little sluggish. So when I opened OBS or wanted to, for example, record my screen, not to record it on phone, so let's try to do Alpine. I understand that it's simple, fast, and secure. No, Alpine Linux, simple, fast, and secure. This is what they said on the website. And current release 3.2.1. Simple, small, simple, and secure. Standard Alpine was intended just enough to get you started. Network connection is required. See, network, you must find your network, extend it. Netbook, somebody, a friend of mine who did work on this computer said it's kinda like a netbook. Kernel, intrafil, and mode loop for netbook. Most common used packages included suitable for routers and servers. Run from RAM includes AMD and Intel microcode updates. Most common and packages included suitable for routers, not routers and servers, not a server, it's a desktop. But server, it was quicker than. I don't know if it has a GUI, so let's go with standard. My computer is 86 on 64. And it has only 245 megabytes of RAM. No, that was quick. Let's see. It's interesting that the terminal opens. We could go and check the terminal if we did download it just for learning the terminal. Download. What is here? May go away. It doesn't work. This is why I started to not like this desktop. Let me see here. So it's still formatting. Okay, then I will 15 minutes. Okay, I will stop and I will come again when it will be formatted.